Who presided over the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The script of Indus Valley Civilization was? Answer is option D, it is still undeciphered. Which of the following battles laid the formal foundation of the British Raj in India? Answer is option C, Battle of Plassey. By whom was the Khilafat movement organized? Answer is option D, Ali brothers. What is the poverty gap? Answer is option B, the difference between poverty line and actual income level of all those living below that line. Where is Nandi Hill located? Answer is option B, Karnataka. The expanded form of the word Libor is? Answer is option D, London Interbank Offered Rate. Which of the following tax was introduced by Alauddin Khilji? Answer is option A, Ghari. The precursor of Indian National Congress was? Answer is option A, Indian Association. By whom is the number of judges of the High Court determined? Answer is option C, the President of India. Which amendment of the Constitution is related to anti-defection law? Answer is option B, 52nd. What is measured by the manometer? Answer is option D, pressure of gas. A balloon filled with helium rises in the air because? Answer is option B, helium is less dense than air. By whom was the neutron in the atom discovered? Answer is option A, Chadwick. The preserved traces of living organisms made in soil in the form of impressions of body parts are called? Answer is option D, fossils. Who invented antibiotics? Answer is option B, Alexander Fleming. What is the function of guard cells of the stomata? Answer is option A, both opening and closing of stomata. What is the name of the discourse, posture or gesture in which Buddha delivered his first sermon? Answer is option C, Dharma Chakra. Which Pallava king assumed the title of Vatapikonda after defeating the killing the Chalukya king Pulkesin II? Answer is option C, Narasimhavarman I. The transfer of minerals from top soil to subsoil through soil water is called? Answer is option B, leaching. What process takes place during the youthful stage of a river? Answer is option D, valley deepening. Who among the following did Gandhi consider as his political guru? Answer is option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Dash refers to those cases which can be directly considered by the Supreme Court without going to the lower courts. Answer is option C, original jurisdiction. Which of the following committees is known as the twin sister of the Estimates Committee? Answer is option B, Public Accounts Committee. Who gave the general equilibrium theory? Answer is option D, Leon Walras. The poisonous gas released accidentally in the Bhopal gas tragedy was? Answer is option B, methyl isocyanate. Whose signature is on the 1 rupee note? Answer is option A, Finance Secretary of India. Which of the following is the second highest mountain peak in the world? Answer is option A, Godwin Austen. In which part of Asia is Pakistan located? Answer is option B, Southern Asia. The rapid motion of the falling water droplets along with the rising air creates electricity and sound. This is the phenomenon we call. Answer is option D, thunderstorm. What type of city government governs a large urban area? Answer is option B, municipal corporation. Find the electric current in ampere when 500 coulomb charge flows in 25 seconds. Answer is option D, 20. A person whose fundamental right is violated can move the Supreme Court directly under article. Answer is option B, Article 32. Dash is a measure of moisture in the air. Answer is option C, humidity. Dash is a constitutional body in India. Answer is option A, Election Commission. By which Constitutional Amendment Act Part 10A, municipalities was included in the Indian Constitution. Answer is option B, 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. Where was the Rayatwari system started by the British? Answer is option C, Madras and Bombay Presidency. Which of the following bond is the weakest in nature? Answer is option D, hydrogen bond. In which industry is potassium nitrate used commercially? Answer is option B, firecracker manufacturing. What is the common name of CaOCl2? Answer is option C, bleaching powder. Which of the following is the sweetest sugar? Answer is option A, fructose. Wheat is a dash. Answer is option B, herb. Punjab has a large number of flooded canals. From where do they get water? Answer is option D, Satluj River. The study of the area around organisms and plants is called. Answer is option A, ecology. Ramcharitmanas is an epic written in which language? Answer is option C, Awadhi. Who attended the conference of oppressed nationalists on behalf of the National Congress in Brussels in the year 1927? Answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. What was Sher Shah's valuable legacy to the Mughals? Answer is option D, land revenue system. Dash means that the President of India can refer to any matter that is of public importance or that which involves interpretation of Constitution to Supreme Court for advice. Answer is option A, advisory jurisdiction.